Hey guys, so today we're going to be making my Italian meatball soup. It's hearty, healthy, and perfect for a cold winter day. Or night. We're going to start out with just under a pound of Italian sausage and ground turkey. Season it with salt and pepper before adding a half cup of chopped onions, a quarter cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon Italian herbs, and give it a good mix until it's just combined. Now we're going to form 30 to 32 1-inch meatballs that are relatively the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, that was easy. Fry them in a large Dutch oven with a drizzle of olive oil and sear on all sides. Transfer them to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Add 1 cup each chopped carrots, onions, celery, and bell pepper, cooking until the carrots are tender before adding in your garlic and cooking for a couple more minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Stir in your tomatoes. I use the whole peeled variety, and add 1 tablespoon Italian herbs and 1 quart chicken bone broth, along with 1 cup chopped zucchini. Give it a quick stir and then reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer. Don't forget to add a bay leaf. Now it's pasta time. Stir in 1½ cups of your preferred pasta before adding the meatballs back in and simmering until the pasta is al dente, about 12 minutes. Guys, it was so good and my husband absolutely loved it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.